So today I'm going to do a short treatment for Dave. What's your name? Ed. I'm sorry, Ed. Yeah. So first thing, as an acupuncturist, we have another one here. She's teaching our doctoral program. If after your master and then we'll have the DA1 class. That's why she will talk about NIH, NHI. So I like to know, what do you like to get treatment? What kind of treatment, you want to be treated your what problem? Yeah. Just the regular. You want me to feel the pulse, look at the turn?
You can do all those.
All those.
Whatever you would like.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Let me ask a couple questions. How's your sleep?
My sleep is fairly well.
Uh-huh.
I wake up maybe once or twice in the night, and I have to go take a pee. I have a little bit of incontinence, so if I don't take a pee, if I don't wake up and take a pee in the morning, I have to run to the bathroom.
Yes. Okay.
But otherwise, it's very good. I wake up refreshed.
Refreshed. Okay.
Not groggy.
So your vision, hearing, everything is okay, right?
I have a little tinnitus in my left ear that's been there for about a month and a half, and it started when this ear got clogged up with wax. So I did not think it was a big deal, and then I got my ears cleaned out, and it was still happening. So other than that, my hearing is good, but I have a little tinnitus.
You know why I asked that question? Because he talked about it, he has urgent go to bathroom. That if you come to school, you will learn. It's related with the kidney energy. In Chinese medicine, we call it kidney, maybe qi deficiency or some other deficiency. And the kidney channel energy related with the hearing too. So that's why sometimes you just on purposely you would ask, how's your hearing, how's your, other part. Yeah, so this is just a detail, okay. So lower back, okay.
It's okay. It's a little stiff.
Stiffness.
Okay. More, I have a tenderness.
Tenderness.
Sort of in my middle back, sort of behind the ribs, and also this area. It's right around
this area.
Here.
Okay. Okay, and here too, you said.
And sometimes I get a little constipated, and then I get pains around here.
Okay. Okay, great. So for the Chinese medicine, what we do is we have to feel the pulse, look at the turn. Of course, we call it 1-1-1 check, means look at the patient when they come in, when they talk, what do you feel, right? And asking, that's why we're asking the questions. Then another one is you have to look at the turn. See what the turn you have it in your hand, right? Look at that turn. This is a big, beautiful turn, right? So colorful. So you see the area of the heart and the kidney and the stomach and liver, gallbladder in different areas. When you ask a patient stick out your turn and you see these areas, and you will do some diagnosis called a turn diagnosis. And another one is another page have two hands, right? The hands when you feel the pulse. The pulse will tell you the patient may have some problem or they're very healthy or they have something related with the channels energy. So the right side, we feel the pulse, and the left side, we feel pulse. Actually, talk about the different channels. Yeah, if you wanted to palpate if the patient has like a cardiac maybe problem, and then see the heart pulse, which on the left side you feel different, or you feel we have 36 different pulse level, and you have a small pulse and a big pulse and a wiry and a slippery. That when you come, you learn the different. It indicates different problems. Yeah. Okay. So you want to let's get on the table, and okay. So just face up. Okay. Yeah. maybe you need to take off
Take
your
a shoe?
shoes. Yeah, please. And the three of you will help me to feel the pulse. Doesn't matter the first time you feel the pulse, nothing, no problem. Okay, I will ask her, what do you feel? Maybe you feel fast or slow, skip the beats, whatever, or deep and superficial. And just tell me what you feel. Okay? Yeah. Mhm. Okay. Yeah. Nick is a very good doctor too. Now he's trying to help him write down the whole thing. Thank you. Yeah. So this head. Yeah. Great. You want to come? Three of you? Yeah, the helper. So today I just tell you the very simple way. This is the right side. You see a index, middle, and the ring finger. Feel these three positions. You can do deep or superficial in the middle. Doesn't matter what you feel. You just feel it. Okay? Yeah. You want to come? Go ahead.
I think my nails are too long.
Don't matter. Yeah. Use this hand. Yeah, because the index finger had to be here.
Okay.
Yeah, and here. Right. Yeah. Got a pulse. Good, you feel the pulse. At least got a pulse. Otherwise, I get worried. Yeah, thank you. Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you.
Hand are right. So strong.
Good. You feel it, right? Okay, so don't leave, just stay. Stay here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Because we want to see his tongue. Okay, come here. Close to me. Okay, so now you close your eyes, stick out your tongue. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. So you see the red and the side and then the right. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Now you can sit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So you already put everything there, right? Add the pose. You guys feel the pose, right? What do you feel?
Very strong.
Very strong. Okay. All the poses strong. How about you?
Different sizes. This
Two
side
different.
was a little just like a. Oh, so, but that other one is strong.
Strong. How about you?
On the right side, I felt like it was a lot stronger first. Position.
Right side, in the middle, stronger than left side.
I didn't get to test the left side, but yeah, the right side, I felt it was pretty strong.
Okay. Thank you. So what do you see? The 10. Whatever you come out.
That was the most.
Red. Okay.
Shade.
Yeah. And you?
The tongue is red.
Also red. And yeah? Okay. Thank you. They're very good. First time. Okay. So yeah, add the pose, the left side. I don't know if you feel it. It's not as strong as the right side, right? That's why you all say right side strong, right? Yeah. But the right side is strong is not really a strong pose. It's the slippery wiry, both slippery and wiry pose. Is of course we can say okay the stomach, but today we just do one, okay. And the left side is a bit less, but I feel the left side, the kidney energy is not enough. Yeah, not enough. So, and the term, three of you all see the red. Actually, if you look at the tongue, the picture you have, the tip of the tongue is indicates some heart problem and maybe sleeping problem. So his tongue is red. The tip is very red, and the side, the liver gallbladder, also a little bit red. And in the middle, the stomach area, which is the tongue is a little bit dry, but it's a yellowish. It's not a totally white color fur. It's a little bit slight yellow. So means some heat inside in the body. This is just a superficial diagnosis, okay? Yeah. So what I'm going to do is for him today is do some points to help the kidney energy. The kidney energy, because he does have a tinnitus in the left ear, right? And also urging go to bathroom at night, and also some lower back pain. I just do that. These are indicates he. Plus the tongue is a little bit red. That sounds like the kidney chi or kidney energy is not. Kidney chi energy is not there. Okay, but the tongue has a little bit, you know, not a puffy, a little bit, just a little bit. And also he said the stomach. Remember, he said stomach. So it's the two things together. One in the middle jaw, which is the stomach area, yeah, and the fur, the coating is a bit slight yellowish. Yeah, so I would do kidney chi treatment deficiency and a stomach dampen heat treatment. It's kind of like not together, but as in each person can have a different diagnosis, different problem. Sometimes like yin yang not a balance. So there, okay, so let's do the treatment. So we use disposable needles. So I like to do is help his kidney energy first, the chi. So, and also I want to open the open orifice to give him more energy. And so I will do the kidney points first. Okay. Yeah. Are you okay?
Yes.
Relax. Okay. So give a little bit of stimulation. Kidney 3. Yeah. And also do the 4 gates to open the orifice. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
I do the opposite.
So 4 gates, 1 point, or 4 needles?
4 needles. Relax. Okay. So since he talked about the tinnitus, so I'm going to do some points nearby the ear. Uh-huh. Can I take off
Yes.
your hat?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Because I touched the hat, I had to redo it, right? Yeah. So the ear acupuncture, I can use a half-inch needle or 1-inch needle. Doesn't matter. It depends on how much you go in. Okay. Okay, relax. Okay. Yeah. TV show. Also, I like to do some points for the stomach. The ear acupuncture has different, the TB 17, and yeah. Relax, okay? So on the left side, I did the TB, small intestine, yeah. Then the Sanjiao, and also I did the points for the heart because sometimes, the heart is a little bit, the tongue is red. Yeah, so sometimes the sleeping may have a little disturbance. So we do it here. And I also did a shaman, which is a calm spirit points. Okay, yeah. And also, remember, he's talking about the back pain. So now he's lie down on the back. What do? You still can do it. The back of the ear, I don't have ear, the sign. There's a upper and okay over there, upper and the middle back on the back of the ear. So it's very effective. The upper and the middle lower back pain. It's over here. Yeah, in here, in this area. Yeah. So let's do one. Yeah, and then here too. So far, okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good. Great. You also have some ear pain there, right? What do you put over here? No, something.
Oh, is there still a ear seed there?
Yeah, I think you have
it's
somebody
like
give you the ear seats.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's over there. Okay. So far, any questions? No? Okay, she. Okay. Yeah.
You do both sides for the ears for the spine.
No, the ear I only did a one. TB 17, I only did a one side because he doesn't have tinnitus on one side, which is the points is pretty effective. Yeah, once I was having a meeting with the PT. PT sometimes like to talk to me, though, which is my patient actually, and he has tinnitus. I said, just even press that point will help a lot. So of course, use needles even better, right? Yeah. Okay, so, and I do want to treat his urgent, incontinence, had to go to bathroom, right? That also can have two choices. One is you can do abdomen treatment, and one is you can do the points, like a 220. The points is the energy, and the tip of the energy point. That also is a good point to help incontinence. Okay, relax, okay? So far, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay. Okay, any questions?